Okay, so the first thing you want to do is tape up the sensor at the start of the machine and tape up the sensors looking for your strips. Then we're going to do a reset. Confirm. And put your strip into buffer position A and start the machine. You're going to stop the machine when it grabs and closes on the first cartridge. And just put your hand down here to check. If you feel a gap, then that means that it's not grabbing in the right position. And you can go ahead and open that clamp. Pull it out, and if you see a dimple mark just on your cartridge, then that means it's not grabbing in the right position, and you'll have to adjust it accordingly. So if it is grabbing your strip in the right spot, then you can move forward, start your machine, and then stop it when it brings it into position. And then start it and stop it when it grabs. Now you're going to want to make sure that it's grabbing the first cartridge and that it's in position to cut properly. And then start it and stop your machine right away. If it's cutting properly, it'll just cut the first cartridge off and not the back part. If it's cutting the back part, then your strip is too far forward. And then we'll just do a wiggle test. And if your cartridge doesn't come out of the gripper, then it's in there securely. And you just want it to be about 1 millimeter past the first teeth. And just let it cut a couple of cartridges. And we're going to stop the strip or the machine there. Open your lower clamp, pull it out. You're just going to want to make sure that it is stepping correctly and grabbing through the holes. And if it is, then you can move forward. Just go ahead and cut that off. Close your clamp and put your strip back in place. And start your machine. And now you can, if everything's grabbing properly, you can just turn up the speed and let it run through that strip. Now you're going to want to do this with every buffer position and every unit. Just testing one unit at a time, one buffer position at a time.